Good afternoon, students. Today we are going to discuss chapter 3 polynomials. In that, graphical representation of a linear polynomial. We know what is the standard form of a linear polynomial. The standard form of a linear polynomial is ax plus b. A comma b belongs to real numbers. A is not equals to 0. So, for example, I am writing p of x is equals to 2x plus 5. It is a linear polynomial in variable x. What is the highest degree, Nana? The highest degree of the linear polynomial is 1. Now I am going to say it's a graphical representation. Okay, na? P of x is equals to 2x plus 5. It is a linear polynomial. Now I am going to say it's a graphical representation. See clearly. Consider a linear polynomial. Consider a linear polynomial. P of x is equals to 2x plus 5. Okay. Now I am going to find the points. We can write it as y is equals to 2x plus 5. You can write it as y is equals to 2x plus 5. Now see, Nana, if x is equals to 1, I am going to substitute in the place of x what 1. Then what happened? Then y is equals to 2 of, in the place of x I substituted 1 plus 5. That is what 2 of 1, that is 2 only, plus 5. So y value, that is equals to, we get what 2 plus 5, 7. X is equals to, if you take 1 means, if x is equals to 1, if we take the value of y is equals to what? 7. So we can write it as the required point x comma y, that is equals to 1 comma 7. Okay, and like that only, if x is equals to 2, then what happened? Then y, in equation lo substitute cheyali. Y is equals to 2 of, in the place of x, this time I taken 2 plus 5. Now 2 2s are 4 plus 5. 4 plus 5 what, Nana? That is 9. So we get y is equals to 9. X is equals to, if I take 2 means the value of y, the required point x comma y is equals to 2 comma 9. If x is equals to 0, if x is equals to 0, what happened? Then y is equals to 2 of, in the place of x I am going to substitute 0 plus 5. Then 2 of 0 means that is 0 only, plus 5. 0 plus 5 means that is 5. So the value of y is equals to what now? 5. And the required point x comma y, that is equals to x value, if we take 0, the value of y is equals to, that is 5. 0 comma 5. And like that only, we take, if x is equals to minus 1, x is equals to minus 1, then y is equals to, in the place of x, you substitute minus 1. 2 of minus 1 plus 5. Then y is equals to 2 into minus 1, minus 2 plus 5. Then y is equals to minus 2 plus 5 means, that is 3. Y is equals to minus 2 plus 5 means what? That is 3. Yes, the required point x comma y, required order pair, that is x comma y, minus 1 comma 3 we get. If I substitute, if x is equals to minus 2, like this you take now. If x is equals to minus 2, then y is equals to 2 of minus 2. In the place of x, I am going to substitute minus 2 plus 5. Now 2 into 2, 2 2s are 4, minus 4 plus 5. Minus 4 plus 5 means that is 1. So y is equals to, we get 1. The required order pair x comma y is equals to x value minus 2 means y value 1. So it is better to make it as a table. This data ni oka table lo rasedam. I am writing a table. We are taking x value, then y is equals to 2x plus 5. The required points x comma y. Just make it as a table like this. Okay. The middle is 0. If I take x value is 0, what we get the, if I take x value is 0, what we get the y value, that is 5. And the required points are 0 comma 5. If we take x value is minus 1, x value is minus 1, what we get the y value, that is 3. The required points are minus 1 comma 3. If we take x value is minus 2, we get the y value is 1. X comma y, required points 2 comma minus 1. Minus 2 comma 1. And if we take x value is 1, we get the y value is 7. The points are 1 comma 7. And the x value is 2, the value of y is equals to, x value is 2, the value of y is 9, the required points are 2 comma 9. The graphical representation of a linear polynomial. Now let us draw the Cartesian plane. Now let us draw the Cartesian plane. Draw like this. We know this is the horizontal axis. This is the x-axis, x dash, and the vertical axis y dash. Okay, we know this is quadrant 1, this is quadrant 1, and this is quadrant 2, this is quadrant 3, and this is quadrant 4. Here clearly x and y, these two are positive. Ikkada two positive values untai, x, y. In quadrant 2, x is negative, y is positive. In quadrant 3, x negative, y negative. In quadrant 4, x is positive and y is negative. So already you will have a previous knowledge on this. Okay. Now I am writing the common intersection point, x-axis and y-axis. These two are meet at O, that is called what? The intersection point of x-axis and y-axis, that is origin, 0 comma 0. So I am taking here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and this side minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, and the downside minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I taken like this, the scale on the x-axis. What I taken scale? Scale on the x-axis, that is 1 centimeter is equals to, 1 centimeter is equals to, what I taken? 1 unit only. scale on x and y axis, and y axis also same. On y axis 1 centimeter is equals to I taken 1 unit only. Okay na? On the x axis and on the y axis I taken the same scale. 1 centimeter is equals to 1 unit, and here also 1 centimeter is equals to 1 unit. You just plot the points on this particular Cartesian plane. First, if you take x value is 0, you get y value is y. That is what the required points are 0, 5. అంటే x's కానీ y కానీ, సో ఈ రెండింటికి 0 అనేది ఇక్కడే ఉంటుంది. xలో 0 and y 5 means this is the required point. You can write here 0, 5. And if you take x value is 1, we get y value is 7. 1, 7. X value 1, y value is on the x-axis 1 here, and the y-axis 7 here. So that's why it is better to go this here. This is the required point 1, 7. Yes, and x value is 2. The value of y is what now? 9. Here x on the x-axis, x value 2. On the y-axis, y value is 9. You just go there like this, on the y-axis here. That is 2, 9. Okay na? And x value is -1, y value is 3. -1, 3. X value -1 and y value is 3. Yes, here. And y value is 3 here. X value is -1 and y value is 3. This is -1, 3. X value is -2 and y value is 1. X value -2, y value is 1. Like this. Y value on the y axis 1 here, on the x axis -2 here. This is the required point -2, 1. By using scale, you just join like this. Okay, you draw, you will get a straight line. What is this? Y is equals to 2x plus 5. So this is the graphical representation of a. This is the graphical representation of a linear polynomial. That is equation y is equals to 2x plus 5. So the particular point, the straight line where it touches the x-axis. ఈ స్ట్రైట్ లైన్ ఎక్కడ టచ్ అయింది? Okay, the straight line where it touches the x-axis, that is called what? Zero of a polynomial. Means that is p of x is equals to 2x plus 5. If p of x is equals to 0, then we get that is 2x plus 5 is equals to 0. 5 transposing means 2x is equals to -5, and 2 also transposing means we get x is equals to -5/2. Yes, that is nothing but 2.5. where it touches nana -2 ki -3 ki madhyalo touch అయితూ వెళ్ళింది, అంటే that is nothing but -5/2. that is 2.5. So like this you can draw the graph of a linear polynomial. Okay na? Especially where, how to find the zeros? The straight line where it touches the x-axis. Is it clear? So ఇక్కడ x-axis ని ఎక్కడ టచ్ చేసింది? Here. -2 కి -3 కి మధ్యలో. ఓకేనా? So this is the graphical representation of a linear polynomial. You to take different linear polynomial. You know the form, that is p of x is equals to ax plus b. A comma b belongs to real numbers. A not equals to 0. This is the condition. You take different, you just form by substituting in the place of a and b. You write different linear polynomials and do this kind of problems on the graph paper. Okay. Thank you.